morning everyone and Jai Sri Swaminarayan, respected principal sir, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Anchal and I wish you all a very happy Guru Purnima. Guru Purnima is a festival which is dedicated to our Gurus. We celebrate Guru Purnima with a mark of respect towards our teachers and Gurus. They teach us to differentiate among good or bad things in life. A Guru not only teaches us and gives the knowledge but also shows the right path to lead our life. Guru has a very important role in our life. On this day, students are encouraged to follow the teachings and form the life of their Gurus. We should always obey and respect our teachers and Gurus. Thank you and happy Guru Purnima to all. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. See you again. Bye bye and click the red button.